how to bind Mobile Legends account to Moonton MLBB account security tutorial. To bind Mobile Legends account to Moonton, it is fairly simple to do so. Once you launch Mobile Legends, this is the interface you'll be able to see. From the top left hand side, tap on your current avatar, which is your profile avatar. Now basically what you want to do from here is, from the left hand side, come to the option called account, and here you can see the option Moonton account. So all you have to do is select this option called tap to connect right here. Now of course, if you do not have an account, you have to do a quick email registration. Use this option over here. But if you've already created an account, select this option right here that says already have a Moonton account, and once you select that, simply enter the email address associated with your Moonton account, then enter the verification code. To receive the verification code, you first have to select this option called send code right here, and once you select send code, complete the verification, you will receive the code and enter the code that will be sent to your email and hit the login button. And this way you will be able to bind Mobile Legends account to Moonton. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.